Alright guys, so what the plan is for our car today is fairly simple. So what we're going to do is we're first going to undrill it, take it apart, and strip this paint. Once this paint is all stripped, we're going to do details on the bottom. So we're going to probably cut these exhausts off and put metal ones on to make it look more realistic. Details will be done on the bottom. Wheels are staying the same, but we're going to give it a Christmas flared paint job. So it's going to be a sparkly red right here, and then we're going to put some Santa Claus and Christmas tree decals on it to make it really pop. But other than that, guys, that's really it for right now. But if we have any changes, we'll definitely keep you informed. Let's get to drilling. So after all that commotion with the drill, we have finally got our car apart, and it's a pretty simple casting, nothing really to it. So I like that, it's very simple. You can take it apart really quick, put it back together, and this should be a fun, quick holiday project. So I'm gonna grab the chum bucket. We're gonna dump our casting in. We're gonna freaking shake it well. Now we're going to put it on the side. So, we have removed the car from the stripper. It's looking nice and shiny, and it is ready for paint. Guys, I'm going to ease out of here. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Merry Christmas, by the way.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
Here's our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't a lot of commentary, but it was a fun process. So as you guys see here, there is a lot of changes to this car. We did the details in the grill, the air filters, headlights, and repainted it, and clear coated this time. It had a little of Cuda's Diecast Customs decals, Diecast Graveyard across the window, 57 on the doors, and what fun holiday colors. Guys, I hoped you enjoyed. I hoped everyone had a happy holiday, and I hope everyone has a happy new year as well. Thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.